Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to get the best discount coupons for CNF fans in 2025 and save big on your favorite K-pop and anime merchandise. Where you are a first-time buyer or a regular shopper, these tips will help you grab the best deals every time. Let's get started. So first of all, sign up on CNF websites. The first and easiest way to get coupons is by signing up and on the CNF fans official websites. There you can see on my screens CNF official's website and create an account and subscribe to their newsletters. And most new users receives welcome coupons, usually 10% off. So or free shipping on your first order. Also, newsletters subscribe often get exclusive early access deals and codes sent straight to their inbox. CNF regularly update their homepage banners with current promotions. Always scroll through the top of the homepage. You will often see limited time discount codes like flash 20 and percent off for 20% off. Here you can see on my screens to scroll downs flash coupon codes shops get unlocked rewards. Here you can click and get offer. Copy the coupons, deactivate it, and then free ship for free delivery, buy two get one for match bundle. Click the banner to see full promo details and apply the codes at checkout. Then next, follow CNF on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. They frequently post. And also flash coupon codes, seasonal sales, influencer giveaways, limited edition drops. So sometimes they post 24 hours exclusive codes just for 4 hours, and so turn on notification to never miss one. So you can also visit trusted coupon site like retailme not honey copart select deals and Dazzler point. Here you can see on this copart you can add to Chrome, and here is deal sports. So just search for CNF coupons 2025 and check the top results. Make sure the coupon codes are recently updated and tested by users. The honey browser extension can auto apply the best code at checkout. So look for special sales event. Don't forget to shop during major sales event like New Year sales, mid-year June to July sales, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, K-pop anniversary, or fan events. These are the times when CNF code drops the biggest discounts, sometimes up to 50% off store wide. The quick recap to get the best CNF coupons in 2025: sign up for their email list, check the homepage banners regularly, follow them on social media, use trusted coupon sites or extension shop during big sales events. That's it. And with these tips, you will always score the best deals on CNF fans and save money while enjoying your favorite merch. If you found this helpful and enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe the channels.